Father's Day weekend is over, and I gotta hit the reset button. What's really good, YouTube? Dallas here with a video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're back from my subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you watching this video. I had such a good Father's Day. It felt so honored to be a father. It was my first Father's Day. It was just a really good weekend. A weekend that I went in with the food. Like, I went crazy. With all these holidays approaching, my birthday's coming up, 4th of July. It's hard to stay on track, so you just got to be mindful of things like that. But you got to know where you are and where you need to be. So I'm gonna find that balance in between, because it's not like I'm not gonna enjoy myself, but it's within the balance. You don't have to go ham, because I'm gonna be drinking, I'm gonna be eating some good food, but again, it's about the balance. So I have to find that balance in between. I still have to make sure that I'm not going crazy. I'm actually in the gym parking lot right now. I don't even think I'm gonna lift today. I'm just gonna do some cardio, just take it easy. I have some errands to run, and you guys are gonna come with me. I haven't done some smoothie preps in a long time, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store, grab some fruits and vegetables, because I need to get back on that regimen. Like, in the morning, have my smoothies, have my fruits, have my vegetables. And I just need to start eating more, because if I have stuff that's easily accessible for me to just grab, instead of me going to you know, different stores or fast food places, it's so convenient for you to just go to a fast food place and pick something up. But if you have something prepared already, it will be easier for you to reach your goal. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's go, ride with me. So today I'm going to be doing a little circuit, some burpee pull-ups with some thrusters, and I don't know what my third exercise is going to be, but it's going to be fun. Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. Dallas, I thought you said you weren't gonna lift. I know, but then I saw the weights, I saw the barbell, and I was like, you know what? Let me lift. It won't kill me. I mean, it was like super light. It was like 75 pounds. I don't even call that lifting, to be honest. But I guess I lifted. But on my way to the store, I gotta return some stuff. I gotta go get some supplies for my smoothie prep. Let's go. See how Walmart gets you? They have a price for $3.34. You get 50 cups, but for $6.98, you get 120 cups. But then you spend $7. I don't want 120 cups. Yeah, I'll probably use them in the long run anyway, but I don't want to spend $7 for no plastic cups.
Good morning, welcome to Dunkin' Donuts this morning. How may I help you?
Good morning, man. I have a small cold brew iced coffee, the s'mores.
Small cold brew iced coffee s'mores. Did you want cream and sugar?
No, thank you. You see, I could have got cream and sugar. I didn't get that. Well, you don't really need that with a cold brew, and I usually get the medium, and I didn't get that. So it's the small things that matter.
Small cold brew.
You got it.
$2.97. You want your receipt?
Nah.
gave you the right amount of money back?
Nah, you gotta double check. You gotta double check. I appreciate it. Thank you. Nah, you always count your money. Always. And then just to pick on her more, I got a small. Look at the straw. Look at this straw. I got This is good though. This tastes like summer. This tastes like summer. As you can see, I was checking out, and then I get a text from my wife saying, "Can you pick some stuff up?" I'm so glad that she caught me because I would have been mad because she's used to doing this. I would leave and then she would ask me to pick some stuff up. And I'm like, sure, I'll pick something. But you really don't want to pick it up, but you got to pick it up because that's your wife and you love her. Yeah, but she caught me. Location change. I had to pick up a few more stuff that all these didn't have, so I am at ShopRite right now. Hopefully I can get out of here soon. We got the smoothies done. We went to the gym. We ran our errands. We got it in today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More videos coming soon. It looks like on Saturday it's gonna rain, and I didn't even tell you guys that I booked my first client, and my session is supposed to be on Saturday. So I'm trying to figure out how it's gonna be for when it rains. I guess we're gonna have to reschedule or something, but we're gonna figure something out. But I'm excited though. I'm super excited. We're gonna see what I'm going to be doing. I'm not gonna be recording it because it's gonna be a child. But yeah, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be lit. We can be litty. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. We gonna get it in. Oh, we gonna get it in.